I don't even know. Welcome back to my channel. I am Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll, baby's hot doll, baby hot doll, baby hot doll, baby hot. Really? Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. I have a wig review for you today. So I reviewed this wig called Stacy from Motown Tress, and it made me feel like these two were similar, so I wanted to review this next. This is Anita, and she is in the color Golden Blonde. This is lace part, baby hairs, heat safe up to 400 degrees, ear to ear lace, and I scooped her up from Diva Tress for $17.97. This is definitely a more textured wig, especially more than Stacy, but I'm going to do a video comparing them. I really love this cut. It seems more like angled than it does in the stock card, but yeah, I'm not really sure. This is definitely like a platinum blonde, and they do have the baby hairs. I think, you know, you could tone her. I actually don't think it's necessary to tone her. It's really, really cute, comfortable, larger wig cap for sure. Let's look at her from the back. Oh yeah, that's really, really cute. I love the stack on this one. Yeah, I think this is really, really cute. Definitely easy wear, good for summer or daily wear, or, you know, around the office, or just a quick little throw on. She comes in a bunch of different colors, and even the fun color like the blue. So I think that, you know, this could be a really great wig for someone, and it's under $20. Yeah, it was so easy to get together. You saw the clips, and that's it. That is what I feel. I like this wig. I actually even like this blonde color. Ooh, ooh, okay. Yeah. I think this is a really cute wig. Definitely worth it. I mean, it's a value at under $20, so you can't go wrong. So really, that's all I have for you for this wig. I'm going to do a comparison video. That'll be a separate video. I'm going to leave my Motown Tress playlist down below. So if you haven't checked it out, go ahead and check it out. And if there's a wig that isn't in there that you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below too. And if you haven't subscribed, I really appreciate you doing so, okay? And if you have, thanks so much, because you're my doll, baby. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!